Thank you. Okay, so dear friends, good morning. Good morning, Najath. Today's assembly is conducted by the students of class 9th A. I invite Shamila to start the assembly as MC. Over to Shamila.
Morning, Nanda.
Hello, NEMS. Respect
Good
your principal,
morning,
teachers,
teacher.
and my dear friends. A cheerful morning to all. Myself Shamila from class 9A, and I'm going to coordinate this program. And this assembly is encouraged by SATHI and his class 9A. So let's start our assembly. Before that, I'm requesting all to stand up for prayer and pledge. First of all, I'd like to welcome Nasha for prayer.
We begin our day in the name of Lord, the most gracious and the most merciful. Praise be to thee, the Lord of world, and the need that we see from morn to night. Let's bow our head before thy power. Choose this right way. Beloved, the most praise be to thee, the Lords of world, and the need that we see from morn to night. We are from thee, return to thee, choose this right way. Beloved, the most praise be to thee, the Lords of world, and any that we see from morn to night. Shower to us the rain from thy power, because these souls are knowledge. Praise be to thee, the Lords of world, and any that we see from morn to night.
Thank you, Nasha. It was a beautiful prayer. Next, I would like to welcome Rabeeh for pledge.
Friends, India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. Their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Thank you, Rabeeh, for your participation. Next, I would like to welcome Shifa for welcome speech.
Shifa, unmute your.
A very good morning to one and all who gathered here. Today we all have gathered here to attend assembly organized by ninth standard. I heartily welcome our principals, our teachers, and my dear friends. Good times, thank you all.
Thank you, Shifa. Next, I would like to welcome Rabeeh for pledge. Thank you, Shifa. Next, I would like to welcome Bayan for news.
Hello everyone, I am Fathima Bayan, student of class 9A, is here to acknowledge you with today's headlines. And here it goes. Kerala logs 14,539 new COVID cases on Tuesday, 124 fatalities. NEET PG 2021 exam to be held on September 11th. Deepak Kabra becomes first Indian gymnastic judge at Olympics. US COVID case rising against doubling over 3 weeks. Colombia's US bias named by revolution of Copa America. Doctor and two others test positive for Zika virus in Kerala. Total cases rise to 22. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Bayan, for information. Next, I would like to welcome Saja for quote for the day.
Saja, you are muted. Please unmute your audio.
Morning all, I am Saja Fathima of 9th. I am here with a quote of Henry David Thoreau and quote is, our trust life is when we are in dreams awake. I repeat once more, our trust life is when we are in dreams awake. It means dreams give us a vision to work on. A person without dreams is good as an animal. So the best life comes when we watch good dreams with open eyes. Dreams keep us inspired. Thank you all. Have a great day.
Thank you, Saja. It was a motivation quote. Next, I would like to welcome Isha for thought for the day.
Good morning to all. I'm Isha of 9. Today I'm here with a thought of by Gary Woods, and the thought is don't wait a ship to come yours. Good morning to all. I'm Isha of 9th. Today I am here with a thought by Gary Wood, and the thought is don't wait for your ship to come in. Swim to out meet it. I repeat once again, don't wait for your ship to come in. Swim out to meet it. It means don't wait around for fate. And
Thank you, Isha.
thank you.
Next, I would like to welcome Hiba.
Respected Principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I'm Fathima Hiba. I'm going to speak about today's specialty. Today is Bastille Day, the remarkable history. Bastille Day is a
Thank
common
you, Hiba.
given in English-speaking countries to the National Day of France, which is celebrated on 14 July each year. It is called as a national celebration. The French National Day is the anniversary day of the storming of Bastille on 14 July 1789, a major event of the French Revolution. The celebrations are held throughout France. One that has been reported as the oldest and largest military parade in Europe is held on 14 in Paris in front of the President of the Republic along with other French officials and foreign guests. Here I conclude my words. Thank you.
Thank you, Hiba. Next, I would like to welcome Ali for word for the day.
Good morning, Najath. I am Muhammed Ali of 9. Let's meet some new words. The first word is Bastille. It spells as Bastille. It means prison or jail. Second word, Triplessa. It spells as Dreeblissa. It means the feeling of happiness towards someone in real life because of something good they did in your dream. Third word, jovial. It spells as Jovial. It means cheerful and friendly.
Thank you, Ali. Next, I would like to welcome Gayathri for word of thanks.
Honorable Principal, teachers, and all my dears, I would like to thank all to be a part of the event and participation. And once again, thanks for such a opportunity for me. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Gayathri. Next, I would like to welcome Fathima Nasha for National Anthem. Before that, I'm requesting all to stand up.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गादा जन गणदायक जय हे भारत जय हे
Thank you,
Thank
Najath.
you, Nasha. It was a wonderful anthem. Next, I would like to welcome our principal sir for a short speech.
Thank you, Shamila. Thank you, students of 9th standard, for conducting a nice assembly now today. It was really nice. Thank you so much. Good. Excellent one. All of you were in a good dress code. You were in white dress, so I enjoyed it very much. Thank you for selecting that color, and you have a unique uniformity in the assembly. You maintained it. It was very nice. Okay. And whose plan was that, Shamila, actually to be a white color here today? Was it
It
planned
was
or?
teacher's plan. Study Miss.
Okay, very good. So
Yeah, we
congratulations
sent
for that.
Wednesday uniform set.
It was
School's
nice.
Wednesday uniform.
We
Oh, okay.
just had a meeting for that. So in that meeting, we suggested this. Friends, teachers, Sida, etc.
Okay. So we used to wear a white color uniform on Wednesdays when you were in school, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So good, good, good.
Yes,
That is.
sir.
So I request all the friends participating in today's assembly, please give a mark out of 10. How much mark are you giving to this class assembly today? I will be posting this mark in the group info. Out of 10, how much mark? Okay. I will open the chat box now. You can type out of 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, like that, whatever you can give. So after checking the most number of students giving the mark, I will select one mark and give it to 9th standard. Okay, very good, very good. Thank you, thank you. See, you're getting good. Most number of students are giving 10, 9, 10, 9, like that. Good. Okay, so I will have to check it after the end of the assembly. I will check it in the Excel sheet and I will post it into the group. So thank you anyway, students of 9th standard, class teachers and all the parents who are supporting, and all the other students of 9th standard for giving your extreme support for conducting a nice assembly. This is a model assembly. Actually, just like this, all the other students, all the other classes are conducting the assemblies. All of our assemblies will be very nice. So happy Wednesday. Wish you all a good day. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.